Looking for a compact projector that delivers high-quality visuals, versatile streaming, and portability? The TCL A1s and TCL Playcube combo is designed to meet those needs, offering a full HD experience in a small, convenient package. Both projectors support 1080p FHD resolution and 4K input, while the Playcube adds Netflix certification for smooth, high-quality streaming. The TCL A1s packs 750 ISO lumens of brightness, enough to produce clear, sharp images in low-light conditions. Colors look natural, blacks are reasonably deep, and text and graphics remain crisp. Whether it's movies, gaming, or presentations, this projector performs reliably. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move between rooms or take on the go, making it ideal for small spaces or temporary setups. The TCL Playcube emphasizes streaming convenience and portability. Being Netflix certified ensures optimized playback without lag or compression issues. While it supports 4K content, the projector downscales it to 1080p efficiently, keeping details intact. The built-in speakers provide adequate audio for casual use, and connecting external speakers can enhance the cinematic experience. Battery life on both devices reaches up to 3 hours, which is sufficient for full-length movies or extended gaming sessions. Setup is straightforward thanks to intuitive plug-and-play operation. Popular streaming apps load quickly, and switching between inputs is seamless. Keystone correction helps align the image perfectly, even on uneven surfaces. Connectivity options are plentiful, including HDMI, USB, and wireless casting. Stream from phones, laptops, or gaming consoles effortlessly. Whether it's for movie nights, gaming marathons, or presentations, these projectors adapt to multiple scenarios while maintaining portability. The combination of TCL A1s and Playcube is attractive for users looking for a flexible, budget-friendly projector setup. While it doesn't replace large home theater systems, it offers mobility and convenience without compromising too much on image quality. This pair is perfect for those who want an easy-to-use, portable solution for streaming, gaming, and presentations. For casual users, small apartments, or anyone needing a portable projector with strong visuals and streaming capabilities, the TCL A1s and Playcube provide a compelling package. Lightweight, simple to operate, and versatile, they meet the needs of modern media consumption in multiple environments. If you're ready to get the TCL A1s projector plus TCL Playcube 1080p FHD DLP projector with Netflix certified, 750 ISO lumens, 4K supported, and 3-hour playtime, check the link in the description for availability and latest pricing.